everybody, welcome back from my table to yours. Today we are going to make a Swiss steak for dinner. So we have some cube steak that I cut up into some smaller cubes. We have some eggs that we have scrambled up. We have some flour. So what we are going to do today is we are going to go ahead and get our skillet turned on. Get that warming up. Okay, so we are taking our tenderized steak and we'll be putting it in the eggs, but first we're gonna put some butter in the pan and let it start melting. I'm going to just cube it. And then get it where it's covering the pan with butter. Then we are going to go ahead, take our whisk out. We are going to take our meat and we are going to put it in the egg. And then we are going to put it in the flour. Get it nice and covered. And then we'll start laying it in the pan. And you can hear my cat in the video. You can smell the steak. And you want to make sure it's covered really good. And you want to brown this steak because you'll let it simmer for a couple hours, fully let it cook through. So you're not going to fully cook it through right now. You're just browning it. I hope everybody's staying warm out there. It's been some crazy weather we've been having lately. I don't know about everybody else, but I'm ready for spring already. And this is really easy to make, and it's good for Sunday dinner. Okay, so all of our meat's in the pan. Now we're gonna just turn them, and you can see how they're browning. And you wanna just let them cook for, I don't know, about 4 minutes or so. Once you get them brown, you just let it sit there for a minute, and we'll let it cook for a few minutes. Put the lid on it. Okay, so now that we've had this couple minutes to cook a little bit, I'm going to turn some of this meat. Get a little browning going on there. We are going to put our sauce in there. And I like using this electric, it's an electric skillet, because it's got the deep basin in it, and it holds everything really well, and it's easier to use. But you can pan fry it. I just choose to use this. Okay, so now we are going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And this is going to make your sauce. So you get it all over. This is a great meal, and it smells really good. Okay. Now we are going to add some milk to the pan. I put in 1.5 cans of milk. And kind of spread the cream of mushroom soup around in there. And now we are going to let this simmer for a while and let it cook. You want it to get it nice and tender so that when you do eat it, you are able to cut it with a fork. So now we're just going to let it cook for a little bit, and we'll come back and check it. Okay, now that we've let this cook for a couple hours, we are going to go ahead and get ready to serve it because it's done. Now that it is all done, we are going to go ahead and make a plate. And I'm going to couple pieces here on the plate. You can put this with whatever you want. I usually will use the mashed potatoes. And then some dinner bread. Make sure everybody hits like and subscribe. It is free. And let me know in the comments what you think. We're gonna go ahead and try this. See how easy that was to cut with the fork? Oh yeah. That was really good. And thank you for watching From My Table to Yours. See you next time.